Good morning. It is our last day here. I think I'm gonna get ready very fast because I'm gonna go sit by the beach because it's almost my last day here. Most of my stuff's already packed. I don't have anything in the drawers. Literally all my skincare is already bagged up. Crazy how fast time flies. Do some quick little skincare. Get ready to go sit outside. I'm wearing this. A long time ago when we went to Miami, they sold these dresses outside of Hotel 1 in a Caravana. It's called the brand. And they're basically made by hand in Mexico. And they're just amazing quality. It's like cotton linen blend and then mixed with like real leather straps that you can tie in so many different ways. In the room outfit. So cute. I don't think I'm gonna wear any makeup today at the beach. So I gotta come back and shower and get dressed for the day. So I'm probably just going to put some skincare on and then use my, where is my Color Science eye cream? I don't know. But yeah, so it's been like raining on and off here and the sun just came out. Color Science, this is the Color Science SPF 35. It's an eye cream and it has like a little bit of a tint, so if you don't want to wear any makeup but you still want to look a little more put together, I tend to just use this. And you can also kind of use it to conceal any like darkness that you have. So it has like a tint to it, as you can see. Those applicators, they're nice and cooling, but they don't like blend. I mean, I'm sure they're not meant to blend because they don't do a very good job of blending. So I think this is what I'm gonna wear. Brows. And this is just for brushing that. I'm gonna go put my bikini on and go outside. By the way, I wanted to show you guys my view from my room because it's so good and it's our last day here, so why not? Isn't it absolutely fab? Last day, the sun actually came out, so I'm happy about that. Show you guys my little bag that I brought. Cute. It says Wifey Club. I got it off Etsy. It's so adorable. I'm gonna show you. Hello, hello. I got dressed. This is the outfit of the day. Top is White Fox. Shorts are White Fox. So cute. The sun came out, which is unfortunate because we're leaving. Cry. But we are going to beach house, so it's fine. Currently putting on some lotion. I brought this from back home. Like I told you guys, I think I told you guys earlier in the vlog. I got this from like a little floral boutique back in Pennsylvania, and it smells so good. It's like an organic lotion. So it's got sugar, salt, and tropical coconut. So it's like the perfect like moisturizer for this kind of beachy weather. I'm also wearing all these bracelets that I got from Shein. They got like seashells on them. They're white. I gotta do my makeup. My two perfumes, Agua di Gioia, this is Armani, and then Miami Nectar by Ellis Brooklyn. Those are like my go-to scents. And then I'm gonna put a little bit of this L'Occitane shimmering oil. I'm so happy with the weather. I'm hoping it stays like this all the way through tomorrow. Hopefully that's better. Putting on this little anklet. Shein. Oh, that didn't focus. Focus. There you go. So that one on that finger, and then I'm putting this one on my thumb. A little seashell. These are my gold hoops. I wear these all the time. My mom gave this to me years ago. It was a gift from my man, and then obviously my engagement ring. This was actually the original ring I got as an engagement ring. It's a little Cartier love ring. It's not focusing. There it is. And I like to wear that here because my engagement ring is a tiny bit big. I think I'm gonna have my man put on this necklace for me. This is a rosary necklace. I think I'm gonna wear this today. And it's just the easiest way to just get my hair off my face. Scrunchie. I think a white scrunchie would be cute. I gotta go. By the way, this was like a last minute purchase from Amazon because my old one was so gross. And I was like, I really want a new one. Such a nice brush. 10 out of 10. Put a little bit of this Elvive stuff on. Literally brought it just to kind of revive my hair a little bit. I'm gonna spray some of this in there too. Do my skincare. I put a scrunchie on. I thought it was cute. I think it's cute. It's giving cute. Little Province Beauty moisturizer. SPF. Armani. This palette's been like my go-to palette. This is the Whoosh Gold Up Face in the 2.5 medium tan. Going in with L'Oreal Lumi in the shade 625 Glowy Gold Pink. I love this blush. It's so shimmery and pretty. Going in with Milk Makeup in the shade Quench. I love these. They're so good. We're leaving. We're all packed. All right, let's go. Oh, look at that one. Goodness, you're so cute. Look at these cats. They're adorable. Huh? This one down here? Hi. You're so cute. You're so cute. All right, so we just took some photos. This was the spot we came to the other night, but it was a little dark. So I wanted to show it to you guys. It's so cute. It's like shaded with trees. We have this little gazebo that I just took some photos in. And then we also have this little telephone area I got some cute photos in too. Aquí están mi mami, mi tía, mi papi y por allá atrás la otra tía con mi mamita.
Sonríe a la feria de la alegría.
Come on in. Hi. Hi. It's a wide lens, so everybody's gonna be in it. Guys, it's my wedding day and it's been kind of chaotic today, to be honest. Like at some point the water went out. Drying my hair currently, long story short. I also was able to take a dip in the water. I have not filmed since I got here. I've honestly just been enjoying having time with family, but it's time to get serious and I figured I'd film this part for you guys to kind of I'm excited to show you guys around, but first things first, I gotta draw this hair. So let's do that.
Down, I know I might be headed for teardrops. Now that you got me started, I just can't stop. No, no. 'Cause I love you, baby. I can't let you go, baby. I gotta tell you that I own.
Ladies and gentlemen, you may be seated.
I've been looking for love so true. When I was down and out along came you. Though you might be a liar and a cheat too. I just
Now
can't
pronounce
quick
you
enough 'cause I love
husband
you. Yes,
and
I
wife.
do. I can't let you go, baby. I can't let you go, baby. 'Cause I love
The
you.
new bride
I
and
love
groom
you. I
is
love
Mr.
you.
and Mrs. Brandon.
Are you getting in the water? Okay, let me say this. It's the day after my wedding. I am officially married. Ooh. Look at that. Hold on, let me fix these. The official wedding stack. Anyways, look how beautiful the day is. Absolutely stunning. We got jet skis coming. Very excited. Everybody's just relaxing, having a fun little beach day. We were supposed to go on the boat, but then there was a little issue with that. And then we ended up just doing plan B, which was 7 jet skis coming up shore and then having fun. Just hanging out at the beach house, because why not? Yeah, look how beautiful it is. I'm so happy. I can't believe I'm married. I can't believe that yesterday flew by. Really does. Like, I feel like I didn't really get a chance to enjoy it, but I love it. All right, it is my last day in the Bahamas. I'm literally getting ready to go to the airport, and I wanted to talk to you guys a little bit. Look at this view. I've had the most amazing time here. I'm gonna put my glasses on. And this is literally where I got married. And let me confirm. This is where I got married. And we had a lot of fun, made a lot of memories, blended a family, and enjoyed the wonderful, beautiful beach. And honestly, I couldn't be more happy. So I guess this is the end of my honeymoon and wedding vlog. Make sure to hit the subscribe button, and yeah, I gotta go. Did you have fun?
A lot of fun.